Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to record Google Meet video call. So we're going to try to get our meeting started. To get to Google Meet, we're going to go over to the top right corner where we have the Google Apps icon. We're going to tap on it and we're going to click on Meet. This is going to take us to our Google Meet webpage, and here we could simply click on New Meeting. We're going to start an instant meeting, and here in the meeting we have some meeting controls down here. We're going to go over to the three dots and we're going to click on it, and then you have the option to manage recording. So when we click on manage recording, the option will reveal how we can start our recording. Now, of course, before you start recording, you have the option to set the language for your captions. And then when you've decided on that, or if you don't want it, you could simply go ahead and click on start recording. This will start recording your meeting. And then you get this notification here. You could decide to click on start. Now you can see that the recording option here is shown. That means that this call is being recorded. Now, if you want to stop recording, you could simply go over here and stop recording. Now, if this dialog box is disappeared, what you can do is to go back again to the three dots, go to manage recording, and you're going to see the option to stop recording. So when you stop recording, it will ask you to confirm, then you're going to click stop recording. And there you have it. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.